Ready to turn the Mexican landscape of Forza Horizon 5 into your personal playground by manipulating the weather and time. First, let's dive into how to adjust the weather during single-player free roam to create the perfect vibe for your drive. From the main menu, select Play, then Horizon Solo. Now, press the pause button, navigate to the Creative Hub tab. Within Creative Hub, select the EventLab option. This is where the magic happens. In the EventLab menus, within the various settings, you'll find custom events where you can control the elements. Select Create New. While setting up the course, you'll be able to access various settings, including the weather and time of day options. These options allow you to choose from preset weather conditions like clear, rain, storm, or even snow. Then set the time of day to sunrise for stunning golden hues or night for a thrilling experience under the stars. Experiment to find your favorite settings. You can also adjust the cloud cover option to influence the lighting of your scene. Customize your event even further by setting the exact race parameters. You get to select the track, any restrictions, and event names. Start this new custom event with your customized weather and time settings and enjoy. You now have complete control over the visuals for your racing experience.